Dear students, here we are going to learn ethical behaviors. It is the topic of professional ethics. Ethics involves having guidelines for human behavior, studying moral choice and values, choosing between rights and wrongs. These are the part of ethics. Ethics is not considering judging others, family values, outcomes, legal rights. These are not the path of ethics. If someone is judging to other person, then that is not, we can say, it is not a part of ethics or it is not ethics. What is ethical behavior and how it is affect to other, that we are going to learn now. What is accepted as good and right is the context of the governing moral code. Ethics, it can be a good part or bad part. It is a combination of good and bad things, that is moral of ethics. The term ensures that all its decisions, actions, ethical behavior refers to how an organization conform to the organization's moral and professional principles. It is called ethical behavior. For what reason do people most often sacrifice their actuality, need for unethically, need for popularity, greedy for money, desire for power, ambition to be famous, something else? How important are ethics is today's society? Example, need for popularity. A person can sacrifice their ethical rules is for get popularity, or can take other unethical tricks to become popular. Same way for achieve fast popularity, they can take unethical way to reach on that goal. Greedy for money, a person can be a to get unethical part to achieve money in short time. Same way desire for power, and same like popularity, ambition to be famous, or something other, like in our picture that person is going to make copy from other person for achieve good marks in examinations. These are the unethical way to achieve the goal. Organizational ethics, it is how an organization ethically respond to an internal or external stimulus. It is interdependent with the organizational culture. Organizational ethics express the value of an organization to its employee. In example image, we can see 1 mile compared to 1 mile. That is, person has like 9 mile. It's for the good for the company. Ethics start at the top. Two things become up. One of them is organizational business ethics, are the responsibility of organizational leadership and the challenges of leader to create an ethical organization. It's too difficult. Leaders play the key role in developing the ethical organization as they comfort balancing operation and corporate goals with corporate moral obligation to the internal and external stakeholders. Leaders play a good role for achieve ethics. Ethics start at the top. Key questions for leaders as they build the ethical organization. What are my core values and beliefs. One of the good question: what are the core values and beliefs of the organization? Whose value, beliefs, and interests are impacted by action and decisions? Who will be harmed or helped by my action and decision, and those or my organization? How will my core values and those may organization be affected or change my action or decision? How will I and my organization be affected by my action and decision? Do my action and decision present a consistent set of values? From all these, who will I approach to creation of an ethical organization? The ethics of the organization reflect the ethics and skill of leaders. A leader is good, then organization maybe travel long time and achieve good result and achieve fast goal. Leader must know the core value and the core value of business and core value of itself. A leader must know the achievement and work of the lower management or workers, and they must value the workers. Basic elements of an ethical organization: written code of ethics and standards, set of rules, which we can say ethics training to executive manager and employees. All person must be trained and full of practicals. Availability for advice or ethical situation. It means advisory committee must require system for confidential reporting. Trust and confidentiality must required. These are the basic element of organization. Ethical element. Five basic ethical behavior: value of life, goodness or rights, justice or fairness, truth telling, honesty, individual freedom. These are the five basic ethical behavior which may uh, you reach. With use of that may you reach to top of the level or top of the value of life. Each and every person must be valued good or rights, goodness or rightness. Always follow good values and right decisions. Always take right decision. Justice to every person and fair decision over number of employees. Always truth telling and honest decision must be taken by organization and provide individual freedom to each and every person, each and every employees of the company or organization. Value of life: the preserving and protecting of life, self defense and war, not life at all cost. Rather, no life should be ended without very strong justification. Goodness or rightness: humans should attempt three things: promote goodness over badness, cause no harm or badness, and prevent badness or harm. This must part of goodness or rightness. Justice or fairness: because most do not live or act in isolation, people's action affect one or more other. Two aspects justice include treat other fairly, distribute goodness and badness fairly. Truth telling: honesty, be honest and tell the truth always. Moral responsibility: or ethics of the system are relevant for all within the group to which the system applies. The system are dependent upon agreement among those within the group with truth and honest individual freedom, have rights and personal autonomy in determining their own ethical character and conduct, albeit limited by the other four principles. Can ethics be taught? Thank you.